Hello, and yeah, this is a Hololive 3D repeat. It's called Rat Idol makes cute noises, real, not bait. Well, what I want is some cute noises, but I'm expecting, because of the fact it's called real, not bait, I'm expecting maybe screams, maybe, okay, I was gonna say maybe it's from like a horror stream, but then I saw this right here, I was like, oh wait. Probably is from this stream that they're watching right here. So maybe a drawing stream that they did together. Let's hear the screams of torch, cute noises.
Yeah, sometimes it's too hard to.
Okay, yeah, it's a drawing stream. Alright, it is cute. Okay, so actually it's real, not clickbait. Some cute rat noises. Some rat squeaks.
You're welcome, Jack. Are you okay? Do you have like allergies?
Yeah, oh good.
And you can also color the gloves here.
Thanks, Teach. Alright. It was actually true. It was a bunch of cute rat noises. Okay, this Hololive 3D repeat thumbnail right here, I don't recognize it, but... so I might watch one more. Yeah, well, just some cute bass sneezes from a drawing stream that they did. Let's see. Okay, so my assumption is maybe they drew each other. That's probably what. Like they first draw Bay and then Ina. So that's probably it. And I can guess that this is Ina right here and this is Bay. They both look beautiful. Their drawings. Better than I can do. Okay, at first I was gonna be like, especially if you use a mouse. I mean, Ina, that's not mouse, that is a... Because I do know that Ina is a drawer. Then I looked at this. Like, no, this doesn't look like a mouse. I mean, if this was with a mouse from Bay, then it's amazing. But I guess it's like a pad, a drawing pad. But yeah, that was this Hololive 3D repeat. It was not clickbait.